Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're sharing a topic that many drone pilots often overlook, but which is extremely important: how to properly maintain drone batteries. First, do not completely drain the battery during flight. The voltage of each cell should not drop below 3.3 volts. It is recommended to return and land when the remaining battery level reaches 20%. Long-term over-discharge will greatly shorten battery life and may even pose safety risks. Second, charge the battery correctly. Before charging, carefully inspect the battery. Check whether the voltage of each individual cell is normal. If the voltage of any single cell is below the normal level, or if the cell voltages within the battery pack are unbalanced, this indicates a potential battery defect. Do not charge the battery. Also check whether the battery surface is damaged. Do not charge batteries with any visible damage or swelling. After a flight, always allow the battery to cool down for 15 to 30 minutes before charging. During charging, it is recommended to keep the battery under supervision to avoid accidents. Use balanced charging mode whenever possible. It is strongly recommended to use balanced charging mode and connect the balance plug to the charger. Balanced charging improves battery safety and helps extend the overall battery lifespan. Uneven cell conditions can shorten the life of the entire battery pack. Balanced charging distributes energy more evenly, reduces the aging rate of individual cells, and effectively extends the service life of the battery pack. Third, do not store batteries fully charged for long periods. If you are not flying for a short period of time, store the battery at a storage voltage of 3.75 to 3.85 volts per cell. Storing batteries fully charged for too long can easily cause swelling and capacity degradation. In addition, please check the battery storage box every 2 weeks for any abnormalities, and perform one charge and discharge cycle at least every 2 months. To maintain battery stability. Fourth, pay attention to the storage environment. Ensure there is enough space for battery storage, and avoid squeezing batteries against each other. Batteries should be stored in a dry and cool environment, with a recommended temperature of 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Using a fireproof battery bag is highly recommended to improve safety. Fifth, regularly inspect battery condition. Before each flight, check for swelling, damaged wrapping, or blackened connectors. If the voltage difference between individual cells becomes too large, it indicates that the battery is aging and should be used with caution. Final reminder: do not over-discharge, do not overcharge aggressively, avoid high temperatures, and do not store batteries fully charged. Only then can your batteries last longer and fly safely. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you'd like to learn about, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.